Coming through, people. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. It's an emergency. I gotta ride. Oh. Only in Florida can you get rained on in like 5 minutes and just get soaked. Completely soaked. Oh yeah, that cloud is coming this way too. Oh yeah. I gotta get it. Man, I got a video I'm gonna put up yesterday. Yesterday I rode around one of these storms. And now it's like, are we serious here? This what we doing? This what we doing? Come on, man. For real? You serious about this? Appreciate it. I gotta go.